Well, if you're traveling westbound on 635 through the airport at Marsh Lane, it's a wreck that's got traffic backed up. Also a problem downtown Dallas southbound 75 at Woodall Rogers where it splits, only the right lane getting by. And
Dallas-Fort Worth is home to 25% of the most congested freeways in Texas. If you drive them, you've probably wished for a faster and easier way to get to and from places like work, appointments, and the airport. Especially when you'd rather be at home, enjoying life with your family and friends. The TEXpress Lanes are a series of new express roadways built adjacent to existing freeways. They consist of 2 or more lanes that let drivers consistently travel at speeds of 50 miles per hour or faster, even at rush hour. To control traffic flow and eliminate congestion, drivers will pay a toll for using the lanes. The price will fluctuate based on the level of congestion and amount of traffic and could change from time to time and day to day. Prices will also vary based on vehicle size and whether or not a vehicle has a valid toll tag. In addition, carpool or HOV users are eligible for discounts. Sensors in the roadway will measure traffic speed and volume. When congestion starts to build up, toll prices will rise to prevent congestion and eliminate traffic jams. When traffic decreases, the toll prices will automatically drop back down to encourage more use. Using the new lanes is easy. You just need to follow the signs. A TEXpress Lane sign is posted about 1 mile ahead of each entry, indicating the side of the road where the entry is located so drivers will have plenty of time to decide whether or not to use the lanes. Dynamic message signs will alert drivers about road conditions, weather alerts, or emergency situations up ahead to help them make travel decisions. One sign will notify drivers that the TEXpress Lanes can be used with or without a toll tag and that a fee will apply for non-tag vehicles. Another sign will inform carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who are eligible to receive a 50% weekday rush hour discount. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. A pricing sign located ahead of the decision point will display both the regular vehicle price and the discounted carpool price that vehicles will pay to travel to the destination shown. It will also indicate that prices are higher for large vehicles and remind drivers that additional fees apply for vehicles without a valid tag. The price displayed at your point of entry is the amount you will be billed. When you enter, the system will lock in your price and you will only be billed the amount shown, even if the price changes as you travel. As you near the entry ramp, confirmation signs will prompt you to make a decision based on the price you saw and guide you onto the TEXpress Lanes. The system is all electronic and cashless, so there's no need to stop at toll booths. As you drive through the lanes, scanners read your toll tag or photograph your license plate. Then your trip information is transmitted to the North Texas Tollway Authority, where your toll will either be deducted from your account if you have a valid toll tag, or an invoice will be sent to you by mail. Well in advance of each subsequent toll segment, a sign will display the price for further travel. You can choose to continue or exit the TEXpress Lanes at no extra cost. Exits will be clearly marked and positioned to allow ample decision time. Upon exit, no further charges will apply. Route maps are available online. Take some time to familiarize yourself with them so you can take full advantage of the lanes. The TEXpress Lanes offer a faster and more pleasant way to travel and a better quality of life with more time for family and friends. The choice is yours. To learn more, visit TEXpressLanes.com and buckle up and drive safely.